First, please open the project download link at https://github.com/achillesy/android_reinhand-dv3/releases. Next, download the following 3 files: Dr.ReIn-Hand.apk, reinhand.apk, and reinhand.zip. Pair the BITalino device by opening it. Click on Settings, then Connections, and finally Bluetooth in sequence. Wait for the BITalino device to appear, and enter the PIN code to complete the pairing process. Now, click on My Files and then Download to begin installing the previously downloaded files. Let's start the installation with Dr.ReIn-Hand.apk. If this is the first time installing, you need to grant installation permissions first. After the Doctor app is installed, do not open it immediately. Instead, click Done to quit, then click the back button in the lower left corner to return to the download directory. Next, install reinhand.apk. Go back to the download directory. Hold down the reinhand.zip file until the Move button appears at the bottom. Click on Move, then select the internal storage directory on the left, and finally, click the Move Here button to confirm. Hold down the reinhand.zip again, and from the More menu, select Extract to Current Folder. Go back to the main screen, and now we'll proceed to the testing phase. Run the Dr.ReIn-Hand app, grant file access permissions. Test the menu sequentially to verify access permissions for files. Click on the large Bluetooth icon in the bottom left corner to connect to the peripheral device and grant access permissions. After successful Bluetooth connection, enter a new patient number, perform some routine usage tests, and observe the output waveform. Please remember to clear the background to ensure the Dr.ReIn-Hand app is completely exited, as the Bluetooth peripheral service only supports a single client program connection. Next, we will test the ReIn-Hand app. Click on the large Bluetooth icon in the bottom left corner to connect to the peripheral device and grant access permissions. If everything is okay, please read aloud "Perfect" to complete the test. Thank you for watching.